Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best wax machine is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone seeking smooth, hair-free skin at home, offering a professional salon experience right in your own bathroom and allowing for precise and effective hair removal that leaves your skin feeling incredibly soft and rejuvenated, making it a must-have for your personal grooming routine. Number 5. Tress Wellness Award-winning Waxing Kit. Introducing the award-winning waxing kit designed for sensitive skin. Achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. This versatile kit is safe for use on your face, bikini area, and even for a full-body wax. Enjoy a smooth finish everywhere. Experience the ease of at-home hair removal with this user-friendly kit. It's designed for a simple and effective waxing experience. The integrated digital display provides precise temperature control for optimal waxing. This ensures a comfortable and efficient session every time. Specially formulated for sensitive skin, it minimizes irritation while effectively removing unwanted hair. Get smooth, radiant skin without the redness. This all-in-one kit has everything you need for a complete waxing experience. It's the perfect solution for maintaining smooth skin at home. What we like. This kit is designed for sensitive skin, ensuring a gentle experience. Its digital display offers precise temperature control for optimal results. If you have delicate skin or are prone to irritation, this is a great choice for at-home waxing. What people say. The machine heats up quickly and evenly, ensuring a smooth application of the wax. It comes with a generous amount of wax refills, which is great value for money. The design is compact and easy to store, making it convenient for home use. Number 4. KoluaWax Hard Wax Beads, Coarse Hair Formula. Introducing our powerful hard wax beads, specially formulated to grip and remove even the coarsest hair. Say goodbye to stubborn growth and hello to smooth skin. Perfect for a variety of areas, this formula works wonders on your face, Brazilian, underarms, back, and chest. Achieve professional results in the comfort of your home. Enjoy a refreshing experience with our unique sea salt and surf scent. It transforms your hair removal routine into a spa-like treatment. This generous 1-pound refill bag ensures you have plenty of product for multiple waxing sessions. It's designed to work seamlessly with your wax warmers. We've included 10 large applicator sticks to make your waxing process even easier. Get precise application every time for optimal results. Experience smoother skin that lasts longer. Our hard wax beads provide an effective and efficient way to achieve your desired look. What we like. Tackle stubborn coarse hair with this powerful formula. It comes with handy applicator sticks, making your waxing session more convenient. If you're dealing with thick or coarse hair and need an effective solution, this refill is ideal. What people say. The wax warmer is easy to use and heats up quickly. It comes with multiple wax beans and is great for at-home waxing. The design is compact and doesn't take up much counter space. Number 3. GiGi Hair Removal Wax Warmer. Say goodbye to unwanted hair with ease. This multi-purpose warmer is designed for your convenience. Achieve the perfect wax consistency every time. Its adjustable temperature control ensures optimal results for your comfort. This device is perfect for all your waxing needs. It accommodates standard 14 ounces wax cans, making it incredibly versatile. Get salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. Enjoy smooth, hair-free skin with this easy-to-use warmer. Its straightforward design makes hair removal simple and effective. Experience a smoother you with minimal effort. What we like. Achieve salon-quality results with adjustable temperature control for a customized waxing experience. This multi-purpose warmer is designed to accommodate standard 14-ounce wax cans. If you value versatility and precise heat settings for different wax types, this warmer is a solid investment. What people say. The wax warmer is easy to use and heats up quickly. It comes with multiple wax options, which is great for different skin types. The design is sleek and it doesn't take up much counter space. Number 2. Home Waxing Kit for Hair Removal. Introducing our comprehensive waxing kit, designed for both women and men. Achieve smooth, hair-free skin in the comfort of your own home. This all-in-one package includes a wax pot machine and multiple bags of wax beans. It's everything you need for a full-body waxing experience. From eyebrows and nose to larger areas like legs and bikinis, this kit handles it all. Get salon-quality results wherever you need them. The wax warmer heats up quickly and evenly, ensuring a comfortable and effective waxing session. Enjoy professional-level hair removal without the hassle. Say goodbye to unwanted hair and hello to silky smooth skin. Our kit provides a convenient and efficient way to maintain your desired look. What we like. This all-in-one kit provides everything you need to start waxing at home, including wax beans. It's suitable for both men and women looking for a convenient hair removal solution. If you're new to waxing or want a hassle-free setup, this comprehensive package is perfect for you. What people say. The wax warmer heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, ensuring a smooth and efficient waxing experience. The machine is designed with a large capacity, allowing for multiple waxing sessions without needing frequent refills. Its compact size also makes it easy to store. The accompanying KoluaWax refills are of high quality, melting evenly and adhering well to hair for effective removal with minimal discomfort. Number 1. Honey Roll-On Wax Cartridge Refill, 4-pack. Introducing our Honey Roll-On Wax Cartridges. Achieve smooth, hair-free skin with ease and confidence. Crafted from 100% natural materials, this wax is dermatologically tested for your safety. It's gentle on your skin. Designed for a simple and safe waxing experience at home. Just roll it on and remove unwanted hair effortlessly. Ideal for larger areas like legs and arms. Get salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. This value pack includes 4 refill cartridges. Keep your favorite hair removal solution stocked and ready whenever you need it. What we like. Experience a natural and gentle hair removal process with its dermatologically tested formula. The easy roll-on application makes it incredibly simple and mess-free to use. If you prefer a quick, convenient, and skin-friendly method for body, leg, and arm waxing, this roll-on wax is an excellent option. What people say. The wax warmer is easy to use and heats up quickly. It comes with multiple wax beans and is great for home use. The machine is compact and doesn't take up much counter space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.